It's me, Red. Welcome back to Bird Island. Not much has changed. I'm, of course, still a hero. And this war with Leonard and the pigs has no end in sight.
You stupid birds.
Those pigs! I guess birds and pigs will always be enemies.
Hello! I come in peace. Ouch. Fred, I know we've had our differences, but we've discovered that there's a third island.
Activate the weapon!
And they're plotting to destroy us all. And here's the scary part. We need to put aside our differences and work together.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Each of you has been selected because you're the best in your field. That we could find.
We gotta be prepared for anything, is what my assistant was going to say.
Assistant? No, I'm the assistant.
Okay.
We died! It's kind of your fault!
I'm in charge.
Actually, I'm in charge. Oh, yeah. I eat dirt.
No matter where you're from, it's where you
Okay, guys, let's do this.
hustlers in the party, y'all.
This is it. This is the amazing team I've been working around the clock for.
Oh!
Well, that's disappointing.
We're gonna break in undetected and deactivate the weapon.
Hello, fellow Eagle God.
We gotta get that key card. What's going on down there? Oh no, he's leaving. Chuck, get that card.
Yeah, I'm just gonna...
Oh!